Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a special topic, yoni massage. If you've never heard of it, don't worry. I'll explain everything you need to know. Yoni massage involves massaging a woman's vulva and vagina, and it can really enhance intimacy between partners. This practice has been around for thousands of years, but isn't talked about much today. Why is yoni massage important? Many women experience pain during sex, which can make the experience less enjoyable. In fact, studies show that about 1 in 4 women regularly experiences pain. That's a huge number. Learning how to give a yoni massage can help reduce that pain and make sex more pleasurable. But yoni massage isn't just about sex. It's also a way to connect deeply with your partner. It allows you to explore her body in a gentle, caring way that can build trust and intimacy. This practice can help women who have given birth, those who have experienced trauma, or anyone looking to deepen their connection. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of giving a yoni massage. You'll learn how to create a safe space, communicate with your partner, and help her feel relaxed and cherished. So, let's get started. Benefits of yoni massage. Now, let's talk about the amazing benefits of yoni massage. First, this type of massage can help alleviate pain during sex. As we mentioned earlier, many women face discomfort, and yoni massage can help ease that tension. By focusing on the external and internal areas, you can promote relaxation and comfort. Another great benefit is that yoni massage can help women achieve orgasm. Did you know that many women can't orgasm from penetration alone? By incorporating yoni massage into your intimate moments, you can enhance arousal and make it easier for her to reach climax. Yoni massage is also an incredible form of foreplay. It doesn't always have to lead to sex. Sometimes, it can be an experience all on its own. This is especially true for women who are pregnant or have given birth, as their bodies go through a lot of changes. A yoni massage can help them reconnect with their bodies and feel more comfortable in their skin. Lastly, this massage can help women who have experienced sexual trauma. It provides a safe space for healing and trust. By creating an environment where she feels safe and loved, you can help her open up and experience pleasure again. So, whether you're looking to enhance your sexual experiences or simply connect more deeply with your partner, yoni massage is a powerful tool to consider. Technique overview. Alright, let's get into the technique of yoni massage. The first step is all about setting the mood. Make sure you have a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Dim the lights, play some soft music, and create a relaxing atmosphere. Next, it's essential to have a conversation with your partner before starting. Talk about consent and what feels comfortable for her. It's important to know if she wants to engage in sex afterward, or if she prefers to keep things simple. Respect her boundaries, and be sure to ask about any specific areas she wants you to focus on or avoid. Once you've established consent, it's time to prepare yourself. Make sure your hands are clean, and consider trimming your nails to avoid any accidental scratches. If you feel it's necessary, you can use medical gloves to ensure a smooth experience. Choose a body-safe oil or lubricant that she likes, as this will make the massage more enjoyable. Now, take a moment to breathe together. Connecting your breath helps create a calm, safe environment. You might even set an intention for the massage, such as wanting to provide comfort and love. Start by gently placing your hand over her vulva, letting her body get used to your touch. Go slow and be present in the moment. It's all about building trust and ensuring she feels safe with you. Step-by-step guide. Now that you're prepared, let's go through the step-by-step process of giving a yoni massage. Begin by massaging the inner thighs and outer labia. Use long, gentle strokes with constant pressure. Take your time and pay attention to her reactions. This is a great way to warm up her body and help her relax. Once you've spent some time on the outer areas, you can start exploring the inner labia, which is the soft, fleshy part of her vulva. Here, you can use your fingers to make small circles and experiment with different movements. Every woman is different, so it's important to communicate and ask her what feels good. Don't forget about the perineum, the area between the vaginal opening and the anus. This spot can be sensitive, especially for women who are pregnant. Make sure to treat it with care and ask her how it feels. After you've explored the outer areas, it's time to move inside the vagina. Imagine her vagina as a clock. Start by inserting one finger and gently touch various areas around the clock. paying attention to her feedback. Go slow and breathe together as you explore. Remember, the entire process should take at least 20 minutes, but there's no rush. Take your time and enjoy the experience together. You can always continue the massage in another session if needed. The goal is to create a connection and help her feel loved and cherished. Pro tips and final thoughts. Before we wrap up, let's go over some pro tips for giving a great yoni massage. First, keep checking in with your partner. Ask her on a scale from 1 to 5 how each touch feels. This will help you gauge her comfort and adjust your technique as needed. Another important tip is to maintain a steady breathing rhythm. Encourage her to breathe deeply and calmly. This helps both of you stay relaxed and connected throughout the experience. If she's pregnant or has any specific health concerns, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional beforehand. It's always best to prioritize her safety and comfort. Lastly, remember that yoni massage is not just a physical act, it's also an emotional one. Take your time to connect with her on a deeper level. The more love and care you put into the massage, the more rewarding it will be for both of you. Thank you for joining me today to learn about yoni massage. I hope this information helps you create beautiful and intimate experiences with your partner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on relationships and intimacy. See you next time.